Welcome back to my channel. So today we are just setting up a new way to do a Huck lace, and we're actually going to use 2 heddles for this, no pickup sticks and no heddle rods. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to go ahead and start putting take 2 threads, put it through 2 holes. So just like you would normally, except for I'm skipping 2 holes every other one. So where you see the threads, I have 1 and then 2 into the hole. And sorry, my camera shifted. But that's 2 into the hole, and then I'm going to go ahead and skip 2 entirely. I'm not going to do anything with them. And then go to the 4th one, grab it, pull one of those threads through the hole, and then 5th one, grab it, pull 1 thread through the hole and leave the other in the slot, and then skip 2 again. And I'm going to continue this all the way through, at which point I'm going to attach my second heddle, where I will get to all those ones I skipped. Alright, so here we are, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the threads. So this first one here, you can see I already have 2 through the holes, so I grab those 2 threads. 1 is through the hole in the other position and the slot. I'm going to pull them both through. Now here's where I get to the 2 threads that I left untouched. I'm going to pull the first one through the slot and the second one through the hole. And then I'm going to grab the next 2 threads that I have not touched from the back that were just left blank in the slots, and I'm going to pull 1 through the slot and then 1 through the hole. And then the back heddle will have the 2 threads, 1 in the slot and 1 in a hole. I'll pull those both through a slot, and then again there'll be 2 more threads, 1 in a slot and 1 in a hole, and I will pull those 2 threads through 1 slot. I'm going to continue this all the way to the end, and don't worry, I'm going to give you a better look at how it appears so you can really see how it looks. I'm really enjoying this technique for the Hucklace. As you may have noticed, I really enjoy doing Hucklace. I think it's a great pattern, and let me know if this is a video you guys enjoy. Obviously, like, subscribe, share with your friends. But if you would like to see me do more 2 heddle patterns on my rigid Heddle Loom, go ahead and let me know. And I would also like to give a little update. Many of the projects that I complete on this channel, you can actually find in my Etsy shop. So if you're someone who likes to just view the products, you can do that there. So here is where I'm going to kind of show you. So this is the slot closest to where I tied on, and you can see it when I put it in the up position, it lifts every 2 and then it leaves 2 down. And the back heddle is the exact opposite thread, so everywhere I have a blank 2 holes, you'll see in the back that's where it is. So in order to make plain weave, I actually have to lift both heddles at the same time or push both heddles down at the same time. And that's how we're going to get our pattern for Hucklace. So here we go. I'm going to start with heddle 1, that's what we're going to call it, in the up position. I'm going to go ahead and pass through. So I did some plain weave to begin with to start off before I hem stitched, but this is just the start of the pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and beat that down. And now I'm going to lift up the second heddle, so now both heddle 1 and 2 are up. and that's creating our up shed. I'm going to go ahead and pass through. I'm going to go ahead and beat down. I'm going to leave heddle 1 up and put heddle 2 back. And I'm going to go ahead and pass through. I left it crooked. Alright, I'm going to lift both heddles up, so A and B up, pass through. So I just kind of manipulate up the end warps and up and down so that I always get the edges. You can do that how you prefer. I just hand manipulate them on my rigid Heddle Loom. Alright, so I'm going to beat down again. And at this point, we are going to go in the down shed. So I need both heddles. I'm going to go into the down shed and pass through. Because the way we have it set up, for plain weave, you neither need both heddles up or both heddles down. And we've basically turned shaft 1 into 2 into our pickup sticks. So let's go ahead and beat down. All right, so we're going to do the up shed. Through, beat. All right, and now I'm going to lift pickup stick B, or sorry, heddle 2. I'm going to lift heddle 2, pass through. Go ahead and beat down. And then I'm going to lift both heddles, 1 and 2. So we have our up shed, pass through. Beat down. And then go back with heddle 2 up. And then we're going to go both heddles up. And then we're going to go down. And then after that, we're going to come right back up. And at that point, we would repeat. After we complete this last pass with it up, we're going to repeat from heddle 1 up, just like we did earlier, as far as you would like the pattern to go. So you don't need 3 heddles in order to do Hucklace on your rigid Heddle Loom. You can use the technique we've learned earlier with 2 pickup sticks or 1 pickup stick and a heddle rod. Or if you have 2 heddles, you can forgo the pickup sticks and heddle rods entirely. I prefer this over using the pickup stick or heddle rods. I find your tension is a lot smoother and more consistent because sometimes your heddle rod, the threads will slip a little bit, or just changing the pickup sticks back when you're doing 2 pickup sticks. Sometimes you miss a thread and it becomes a little mixed up, but this is very clean, very consistent. So I think when I'm doing Hucklace on my rigid Heddle Loom in the future, I will continue using this pattern. But if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.